Welcome. Chapter number 11, Standard 12, Three-Dimensional Geometry. In last period, we was seeing that equation of line in space. There are two types, passing through the one point and having parallel vector. That equation of line is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. That in vector form, and in a Cartesian form is what? X minus x1 upon a is equals to y minus y1 upon b is equals to z minus z1 upon c, where a, b, c are the direction ratio of parallel vector. x1, y1, z1 is the component of that point. Next, equation of line, second type is what? Equation of line passing through 2 points. When any line passes through the 2 points, then the equation becomes that r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda of b bar minus a bar, that is in vector form. And next, that x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equals to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 equals to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. This is an Cartesian form. Now, also we will learn that same formulae, that angle between the two lines, that is what? Angle between the two parallel vector of that line equals to what? Cos theta equals to magnitude of b1 dot b2 upon magnitude of b1 into magnitude of b2, or cos theta equals to what? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square and a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Next formula is what? Shortest distance between the two lines. When the two lines are there in space, then the shortest distance between the two lines is what? D is equals to magnitude of b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 upon magnitude of b1 cross b2. Also, we was seeing that distance between the two parallel vector, two parallel lines. Then the lines are parallel, then distance is what? Magnitude of mod of b cross a2 minus a1 upon magnitude of d. This type of examples we was solved in last period, exercise 11.2, and example number 1 to example number 8. Now, in this period we can learn exercise 11.2 next example, that is example number 8 to above. Exercise 11.2. Example number 8 is given here. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of a line that passes through the point origin and 5 minus 2 3. So again we want to find the equation of line, vector and Cartesian form, which passes through 2 points. First is origin and second is 5 minus 2 3. Let the line passes through the point origin having position vector is 0 0 O bar 0 0 0 and second point is P bar 5 minus 2 3. Then as we know, the points are x1 y1 z1, so this is an x1 y1 z1, this is an x2 y2 and z2. Then an vector from r bar is equals to what? A bar plus lambda of b bar minus a bar. So first b bar and a bar, this is equals to O bar, we can say that a bar, and this is say that b bar. Then our formula is what? R bar is equals to a bar plus lambda of b bar minus a bar. Then subtract b bar minus a bar. So we can do it what? B bar minus a bar. Then 5i minus 2j plus 3k minus of a bar, that is 0i minus 0j minus 0k. Then what? B bar minus a bar is equal to 5i minus 0, that is simply 5i minus 2j plus j minus 0 minus 2j, 3j minus 0, that is 3k. Then this is our b bar minus a bar. Then our equation of line in vector form is r bar is equals to a bar. What is a bar? 0i plus 0j plus 0k plus lambda of b bar minus a bar is the meaning what? 5i minus 2j plus 3k. That equals to what? R bar is equals to lambda time of 5i minus 2j plus 3k. This is an our vector form. Next is what? Equation number in a Cartesian form is what? Equation of line in a Cartesian form That formula is what? X minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. So put up the value. X minus, what is x1? x1 is what? Here 0, y1 0, z1 0. Put up here. X minus 0 upon x2 is 5 minus 0, y minus 0 upon minus 2 minus 0, and z minus 0 upon 3 minus 0. Then it will become what? X by 5, y by minus 2, z by 3. And this is an equation of line in a Cartesian form. It is very simple format. Just you know that what are the points and how to find their position vector. Same as example 9 here. Find a vector and Cartesian equation of line which passes through the point. We have the given that the points at 3 minus 2 minus 5 and 3 minus 2 6. So this is our x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2. In the vector form it is equals to what? R bar is equals to 3i minus 2j minus 5k plus lambda time of 3 minus 3 of I minus 2 of minus 2 of minus 2 plus 2j, then 6 minus 5 of k. That's simply remaining what? 3 minus 3 is 0. Then minus 2 plus 2 is again 0. 6 minus minus 5, that is equals to plus 5, that is 11 of k. Then the direction ratio of that vector, that is 0 0 11. Then simply equation of vector form is R bar is equals to 3i minus 2j minus 5k plus lambda times of 11k. And in a Cartesian form is what? X minus 3 upon 0 is equals to y plus 2 upon 0 is equals to z plus 5 upon 11. That is equals to what? Cartesian form. It is very simple form. You have to do in your homework. Example number 10, that find the angle between the following pair of line. Now you want to find angle. That R bar is equals to, first example, R bar equals to 2i minus 5j plus k plus lambda time of 3i plus 2j plus 6k, and R bar is equals to 7i minus 6k plus mu times of I minus 2j plus 2k. Now as we know, when we find the angle between the two lines, that means what? Angle between the two parallel vector. So what are the parallel vectors are here? This is the parallel vector 3i minus 2j plus 6k and I plus 2j plus 2k, b1 and b2, and you must find out the angle between the two parallel vector. So we want to find the angle between these two lines, means what? We want to find the angle between two parallel vector. You must identify the parallel vectors, that is b1 and b2, because the equation of line is say that R bar is equals to a bar plus lambda of b bar. This is then parallel vector b bar. So b1 is say that 3i plus 2j plus 6k, and b2 is what? I plus 2j plus 2k. Then what are a1 b1 c1 comparing with what? a1i plus b1j plus c1k and a2i plus b2j plus c2k. Then that equals to what? Formula cos theta is equals to what? b1 dot b2 upon magnitude of b1 into magnitude of b2. Dot product, how to find? That is simply a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon magnitude is found, that is what? a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square, parallel vector of this. Then under root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Put up the value. What is a1? Is 3, b1 is 2, c1 is 6, a2 is 1, b2 is 2 and c2 is 2. Then put up here what? That 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 6 into 2 upon under root of 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square, second under root 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. Then it will be solved. That equals to what? That equals to what? 3 into 3 plus 4 plus 12 upon under root of 49, under root of 9. Under root of 49 is 7. This is 3. The addition is 19. The answer is 19 by 21. Cos theta equals 19 by 21. Theta is equals to what? Cos inverse of 19 by 21. and this is the angle between the two line. So these type of examples, you must know that the parallel vector b1 and b2. Identify this, put up the formula, use the values and just solve the examples. That type of examples is very simple. Next type of example is second. R bar is equals to what? 3i plus j minus 2k plus lambda time of I minus j minus 2k, and R bar is equal to 2i minus j minus 56k equals to mu times of 3i minus 5j minus 4k. Again here, what are the b1 and b2? b1 is again lambda time of, this is the b1 and this is an b2. You solve example number 10 first, that a1 is 1, a2 is, b1 is 1 minus 1 and c1 is minus 2, a2 is 3, b2 is minus 5 and c2 is minus 4. Use the value, find the answer. Number 11. Now this is an vector form examples, this is an Cartesian form examples. So in a Cartesian form, how to find a1, b1, c1? That using compare what? X minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b and z minus z1 by c. So a, b, c are here. Then a1 is 2, b1 is 5, c1 is minus 3, a2 is minus 1, b2 is 8 and c2 is 4. Again put up the formula and find the answer. It is very simple to do, same as number 2. Now example number 12. Find the value of p. Again you have to give that example, you have to give that question, equation of line. Here the direction ratio of that 3, 2p, 2. But here is, it is not an our standard format. It is 1 minus x by 3. We want to form as what? X minus 1 by 3. Next is what? 7 minus 14. We want to y minus y1. Here is the coefficient of y is 7. So eject it. Then compare. Same as here, 7 minus 7x. But we want to what? X minus x1. So again convert in term of standard form and then solve. Then find the value of p. It is an right angle. So right angle के लिए आपको देखना पड़ेगा. So the equation of line, we have to given that. Rewrite this equation in term of here, that x minus 1 minus x upon 3, we can write x minus 1 by minus 3. That is 7 take common, y minus 2 upon 2p, 7 it will here, y minus 2 upon 2p minus 2p by 7. Again z minus 3 by 2, z minus 3 by 2. Here again 7 minus 7x. Now 7 minus 7 is by 3p. We will take 7 minus 7 is common. That remaining x minus 1 upon 3p minus 7. Y minus 5 by 1. Again y minus 5 by 1. Here is 6 minus z. But we want to z minus something. That is take a minus sign is common. That z minus 6 upon minus 5. Then comparing with your standard form. So we get what? A1 is equals to minus 3. B1 is equals to 2p by 7. And C1 is equals to 2. Also A2 is equals to minus 3p by 7. B2 is equals to what? That 1. And C2 is equals to minus 5. Then as we know, we have given that. Sure, we want to show that. We want to given that lines are perpendicular. As we know that two vectors are perpendicular, then what? A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equals to 0. This is the condition. If the two vectors are perpendicular, then put up the value, that A1 by A2, that is minus 3 into minus 3p by 7 plus 2p by 7 into 1 plus 2 into minus 5 is equals to 0. Solve this. That is minus 3 into minus 3p by 7, that is plus 9. That 9p plus 7, 2p by 7 minus 10. 9p plus 2p, that is 11p by 7 is equals to minus 10 will be shift, that is plus 10. 7 10s are 70. 11p equals to 70. Then what is the value of p? P is equals to 17 by 11. Now just we want to change in our this given line in term of standard line, standard format, then comparing with, find out the value of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, and we know that the condition of perpendicular. If the two lines are perpendicular, then their dot product becomes a 0. Hence the answer will be same, that P equals to what? 17 by 11. Same as number 13, you can do well. Number 14, again find the shortest distance between the lines. Now you must know that the equation distance between the two lines, shortest distance between the two line formula, that is magnitude or modulus of A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 upon magnitude of B1 cross B2. So must you have to find that find the value of a1, that is vector point a1, a2 and b1, b2, that is a parallel vector. So the given lines are r bar I plus 2j plus k plus lambda times of I minus j plus k, and second r bar is equal to what, 2i minus j plus minus k plus mu times of 2i plus j plus 2k. Now there are two lines. Comparing with standard format in a vector form is equal to what, r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda of b bar. Then this is what, r bar is equal to a1 plus lambda time of b1. What is a1? a1 is I plus 2j plus k. Then what is b1? I minus j plus k. Now second line is what, r bar equal to a2 plus mu time of b2. Then what is a2? 2i minus j minus k, and b2 is 2i plus j plus 2k. Now when we find out, or when we know that a1, b1, a2, b2, then the formula, we know that the shortest distance formula, the shortest distance between lines, that equals to d is equals to what, modulus of a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 upon magnitude of b1 cross b2. So first you want to subtract a2 minus a1 and b1 cross b2 and then their dot product. So we will take separately. Then a2 minus a1 is what? Subtraction. That a2 is what? 2i minus j minus k minus a1 is what? I minus 2j minus k. Then 2i minus I, that is I minus j minus 2j minus 3j minus k minus 2k. This is a2 minus a1. Then b1 cross b2, how to find? That is what? I, j, k, determinant of, then coefficient of b1, that is what? 1 minus 1 1, and b2 is what? 2 1 2, because here is what? 1 minus 1 1 and it's 2 1 2. We can take it, expand this using determinant format, that equals to what? I minus 2 minus 1 j 2 minus 2 plus k, that is 1 minus minus plus 2. The answer is minus 3i minus 0j plus 3k. Then find out magnitude of b1 cross b2, because we want to find out. Then comparing minus 3 square plus 0 square plus 3 square, that equals to what? 9 plus 9 under root of 18, that is what? 3 root 2. Then as we know that we are all values a2 minus a1, b1 cross b2, magnitude of b1 cross b2. Put up the formula. Then what is the formula? That d is equals to magnitude of modulus of a2 minus a1. What is a2 minus a1? That is I minus 3j minus 2k. We have to find. Then dot b1 cross b2. What is b1 cross b2? That minus 3i 0j plus 3k. That is simply minus 3i plus 3k, because 0 is not value. And what is the magnitude of b1 cross b2? That what? 3 root 2. Then this is then dot product. Dot product becomes what? I dot I, j dot j and k dot k. So 1 into minus 3, that is simply minus 3. 0 into something, 0. Minus 2 into minus plus 3, minus 6 upon 3 root 2. That equals to what? Minus 9 by 3 root 2. That equals that 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, minus 3 by root 2, that equals to what? 3 by root 2 or 3 root 2 by 2. We can multiply by root 2 by root 2. The answer is 3 root 2 by 2. This is the shortest distance between the two lines. How to find? Just comparing with the format of a1, b1, a2, b2 in the standard form. Then just subtract a2 minus a1. Also take a cross product of b1 cross b2 and take a magnitude. Find out all these values and put up this formula. Then you get a simple answer. This is a very simple form and you can do easily well. That same as example number 15, 16 and 17. All these examples as like us what? Shortest distance between the lines. That is same formula. That is d is equals to determine modulus of a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 upon magnitude of b1 cross b2. Use these conditions, find the values and get a simple answer. Here exercise number 11.2 will be completed. Next period we learn equation of plane. Till then, take a practice, make your perfect. Goodbye. Thank you.